Have you ever wondered why the rate of illnesses and diseases keep increasing every day? Haven't you stopped to ask why you keep taking medications that seem to treat only symptoms without touching the actual cause of the illness? Did you know that over 70% of processed foods contain hidden additives, preservatives, and chemicals that most consumers don't recognize? Many of these ingredients have been linked to serious health concerns, yet they appear in everyday food products without most people realizing it. Give me 9 minutes and I'll give you reasons on why your health is depreciating because of what you eat. Take a look at the back of a bottle of fruit juice, a pack of instant noodles, or even a slice of packaged bread. You will likely find an overwhelming list of ingredients with names you can barely pronounce. From monosodium glutamate to high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives like sodium benzoate, these substances are carefully formulated to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and keep costs low. The problem: many of these additives have been linked to health risks, including obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, digestive issues, and even neurological disorders. Yet, because of misleading labeling and a lack of consumer awareness, people continue to unknowingly consume them daily. If you think low fat, sugar free, or all natural means your food is healthy, think again. Many companies use clever marketing tactics to distract consumers from the real issue: what's actually in your food. Understanding food labels and making informed choices is the first step toward protecting your health. So, have you ever picked up a food product labeled natural, low fat, or sugar free and assumed it was healthy? If so, you are not alone. Food companies have mastered the art of deceptive marketing, making it harder for consumers to truly understand what they are eating. Let's break down some of the biggest tricks used in food labeling and why you should be cautious. Many products boast natural flavors on their labels. But what does that really mean? While natural flavors are derived from plant or animal sources, they can still undergo extensive processing and contain hidden chemicals. On the other hand, artificial flavors are entirely lab made, often using synthetic chemicals to mimic natural taste. The catch: even natural flavors can contain dozens of hidden additives that aren't required to be listed on the label. This means that what seems like a clean product could still contain preservatives, solvents, and allergens without consumers knowing. Trans fats, which is partially hydrogenated oils. They are found in margarine, baked goods, fried foods. The health risk: it increases bad cholesterol, raises the risk of heart disease, and contributes to inflammation. Monosodium glutamate is found in instant noodles, canned soups, processed meats, fast food, your seasoning cubes. The health risk is that it can trigger headaches, nausea, and excessive cravings that lead to overeating. Artificial sweeteners: such as aspartame, sucralose, saccharin. They are found in diet sodas, sugar-free gums, light snacks, and the health risk. They are linked to metabolic disorders, digestive issues, and may contribute to increased sugar cravings. So, what's the catch? Companies use different names for these additives to disguise their presence. For example, MSG can appear as yeast extracts or hydrolyzed protein, while trans fats can still be legally listed as OG if the amount per serving is under 0.5 grams, even though it's still present. Many food products use eye-catching labels to appear healthier than they actually are. Here is how: low fat or fat-free. It often means more sugar and artificial additives to compensate for lost flavor. No added sugar doesn't mean sugar-free. It can still contain fruit concentrates, syrups, and artificial sweeteners. Made with whole grains, the product may contain only a tiny percentage of whole grains while being mostly refined flour. Organic or non-GMO. While these labels can indicate higher quality ingredients, they don't always mean the food is healthy. Sugar-laden organic snacks are still unhealthy. So, how can you outsmart the labels? The first thing to do is to read the ingredient list. The shorter, the better. If you can't pronounce it, think twice about it. Look beyond the front label. Flip the package and check for hidden unhealthy ingredients. Watch serving sizes. A tiny serving may seem low in calories, but how many servings are you actually eating? Choose all unprocessed food. The best way to avoid food label deception is to focus on real, fresh foods with minimal processing. I keep hearing some people say, they say this and that is bad. What then isn't? It's only God that can save us. That is how they will be condemning everything. There is a Bible passage that says, "My people perish because of ignorance." And there is a popular saying that also says, "If education is expensive, try ignorance." This means knowledge can help you make wiser choices, while ignorance can be very expensive to the extent of costing your life. The bottom line: don't be fooled by clever marketing tactics. Take control of your health by learning to decode food labels, recognize harmful ingredients, and make informed choices. I hope to see you soon. Love you all and stay healthy.